Hey, good morning. Welcome to the morning brief. Today's Tuesday, January 20th. I hope you had a great long weekend. And the market Globex was open yesterday and was kind of an ugly day. We'll talk about that in just a second. Looks news going on today. What do we got from forexfactory.com here? You can see at 8:15 we had the ADP weekly employment change, which came in at 8,000. That's not a good number. And that's pretty much it for the day. No other U.S. numbers, as you can see here. So moving on, looking at the chart, you can see that we had a huge gap down from Friday for the weekend. And then, basically a doji candle, but still very, very big, huge gap down. And now we're gapping down even further. So over the weekend, we went from Friday to now we have fallen below the trend line. We've fallen below two moving averages, which is kind of ugly. We've also broken a major low volume node around 68.70, which is right where we're trading about now. If we stay below that, it's not good. Volume on Friday was obviously the holiday, very, very, very low volume. So the question is once this market actually opens today, are we going to come back up? What are we going to do? So obviously that's the $1 million question. Where's support resistance? Got a high volume node right here at 68.28. I think that would be some downside support. On the upside, where I think the high from the holiday, that another high volume node right in the vicinity of that, 69.31. I think that this low volume node right here, 69.70, will be a magnet, at least maybe not today, but soon. It would like to fill this gap. Gaps on general do not, about 85% fill. Okay, so it'd be very rare to see a gap not come back and fill. So we've got that gap fill potential this week. We'll have to wait and see when and if that happens. But based on historics, 85% of all gaps do fill. All right, moving on. Looking at inventory on Friday, down action on Friday, down inventory. That's the way it is supposed to be. Not surprising. Monday, big gap down, also down inventory. Hard to say that this is meaningful because it was a holiday trading in Globex. We'll have to wait and see what happens today once real volume starts to come in. Right now, we are starting off, obviously, gapping down. So there you have it. What do we got going on with the overnight action? 70 points. That's way, way, way above average. So that is not good. Very high volatility will make trading quite difficult due to the volatility. Where is support and resistance? Intraday, we are going to have 68.50 is going to be a level, 68.40, 68.26. What else we got down here? 6,800 looks like there's some confluence. I think we'll sort of be between 6,800 and maybe 69.50 today. We'll have to wait and see. But yeah, on the top side, 69.50, 69.35. Definitely some confluence around 69.17. Of course, 6,900 is the whole number. Look how quickly back here, how quickly they slice through that whole number. Now, granted, that is pre-market, but you'd expect it to at least have had some respect at the whole number. It kind of went whoop right through it. So things could get very, very ugly. Stock Trader's Almanac today is 52.4% chance the market will be up. And of course, that is from the Stock Trader's Almanac. Hope you have a great day, and I'll see you tomorrow. Remember to like and subscribe. Hey, thanks for watching the morning brief. Check out my website for more information, oneononetrading.com. Take a look at the TroyLevels, a trade location finder for the futures markets. Help you find those levels of support and resistance that are just so hard to find. I also do personal coaching and mentorships. So go ahead and take a look at my website, oneononetrading.com.